because I think you are the contesting party. Because if the decision goes, it will go against you. I mean, Election Commission will not become members of Parliament. So, since we are hearing the contesting parties,
Election Commission's notifications, which have, led to a number of things. So whether they have to explain how those notifications were issued. So, I'm just asking you a question.
My Lord,
what would be more appropriate?
Amongst us, we had so decided, but at the end of the day,
कल तो यही decide हुआ था कि आप आगे करेंगे.
But that's the prerogative of your lordships, as your lordships.
Let's not waste time on these minor things.
My Lord, Mr. Muni Bakhtar, your lordship had asked yesterday that I should also state the affiliations, party affiliations of my clients. My Lord, the respondent number 15.
Are the respondent numbering the same in both the appeals?
My Lord, they are.
Aapka number kya hai?
Sir, 333 of 2024 is the appeal number. Respondents number 15 to 18 are from PMLN. Respondent number 19 is from JUI Pakistan.
15 was?
15 to 18 are from PMLN. 19 is JUI Pakistan.
Is it the same as JUIF? Or the two?
FP, yes.
Is the same party?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Official name is JUI Pakistan.
And 21 and 22 are from Pakistan People's Party parliamentarians.
Are these the only affectees or are there more?
Your Ladyship, there are more, but these are the only ones who are made respondents. It was...
And the others have not they don't want to join the proceedings?
Your Ladyship, I have no idea. The appellants have chosen not to join them.
But they had the option to join.
Yes.
Number 20, nobody represents number 20?
I don't, Your Ladyship.
Lord, I'll have to push you along.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
17 you have.
Sorry, it's a painful duty I have to do.
No, my Lord, I'll try to be brisk. The brief facts, Your Lordship already have them, but the election program was issued by the ECP under Section 57 of the Elections Act 2017 on 15th of December 2023. On 22nd December, it was modified, and the elections to the general seats, the last date, and this date is important, for filing of nomination papers was extended to 24th December from 22nd December. And likewise, the last date for filing lists of candidates for reserved seat for women and non-Muslims was extended to 24th December. The appellant was allocated the election symbol horse. The Election Commission will make it clearer, but insofar as I am aware, no member filed their nomination papers as candidates of SIC. And again, SIC did not submit a political party's list of candidates for reserved seats.
You were saying that your instructions are, because there are two appellants. One is the gentleman on whose behalf Mr. Faisal Siddiqui has just made a statement.
Yes, sir.
You are saying that he did not file a nomination paper showing his affiliation as SIC?
My Lord, I have heard something different this morning.
This hasn't been, my Lord, I might clarify that ECP has no notice of any alliance.
No, I'm just asking theoretically.
But theoretically 215
तो वो एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट बता देना, वो जरूरी है ना, अलायंस अगर हो भी।
जी जी, I'm just answering the question and अभी मैं सर्टिफिकेट पे आ रहा हूँ।
वो सर्टिफिकेट कौन से पेज?
सर्टिफिकेट पे आते हैं सर, ये
तो आप क्या अलायंस के जरिए तो वो आ सकते थे ना?
नहीं सर,
उन्होंने नहीं फाइल किया
सर। अलायंस इफ
नहीं, have they filed alliance papers?
नहीं, if an alliance had, sir, this is completely up in the air, frankly.
No, but I'm just saying the whole problem could have been easily resolved if they had come as an alliance.
Sir, could have to. My Lord the Chief Justice has, I think, mentioned about 4 different things that could have been done, which I wouldn't have been standing here. And they would never.
You may not answer the question posed to you by the Chief.
Thank you, sir. Sir, so certificate page 12 पे है sir.
Page
12. मेरा page 12 है. It looks like this because I know the safas are mixed up and I apologize.
Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf.
That's right. It is dated the 13th and it is the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, but it doesn't finish here, my lord. Then there is a letter on page 11. Because my lord, remember, he himself has said, I won election on Tower.
आगे 11 पे
Page 11 पे आता है जी.
ये पढ़ दें.
May I ask?
Yes, yes.
I should have to read it for me, please.
With the permission of the Honorable Court, बखिदमत जनाब आर.ओ. साहिब, नेशनल असम्बली NA 104 फैसलाबाद, दरख्वास्त बमुराद निशान व इलाट अगर बला नहीं दिया जाता तो शटल कॉक दिया जाए, और जनाब आली गुजारिश है कि अगर साइल को निशान बला नहीं दिया जा सकता है चूँकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान में अभी केस का फैसला पेंडिंग है, बराए मेहरबानी अगर बेट बहाल होता है तो बला दिया जाए, और अगर बला बहाल नहीं होता तो शटल कॉक दे दिया जाए। अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट बहाल कर देती है तो बला दिया जाए। बजरिए कौंसल चौधरी मोहम्मद इरफान, अथॉरिटी लेटर।
अच्छा सर, it doesn't even end here, sir. It doesn't end here. So he says, give me an independent symbol and I want the symbol of shuttlecock. So shuttlecock was not available. So there is a further order now, my lord.
ये लेटर किसके बिहाफ पे लिखा जा रहा है?
My lord, वो खुद से लिख रहा है. The candidate chairman of the appellate is writing through his attorney as an authority letter, but this is him. He is seeking this and he's addressing it to the RO.
अगर आप page 12 पे आ जाए.
जी.
So doesn't this contradict or doesn't it nullify your statement earlier made where you said that PTI की तरफ से कोई सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आया था?
My lord, PTI की तरफ से, PTI का कैंडिडेट का, ये तो SIC के चेयरमैन है जिन्होंने
हमने आपसे एक सवाल पूछा।
बिल्कुल जी।
आपसे सवाल ये पूछा था कि इलेक्शन के टाइम पे जब नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स ये लोग जमा कर रहे थे प्रोसेस में, क्या इन लोगों ने पीटीआई की सर्टिफिकेट सबमिट किया? आपने कहा
मैंने नहीं देखे सर। एट द टाइम ऑफ फाइलिंग ऑफ नॉमिनेशन पेपर, दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड, एंड देन आई सेड सर कि मैं आपको रिकॉर्ड से बताऊंगा कि हुआ क्या है, बिकॉज़ देयर हैज बीन 3 डिफरेंट, आई केप्ट ऑन चेंजिंग सेइंग दैट सर कि मैं आपको रिकॉर्ड से बताऊंगा।
हम आपसे दोबारा से
ये सिर्फ इनका आया था या सबका आया था?
माय लॉर्ड, ये बाकी मैं अभी एक और सैंपल दिखा देता हूं। बाकी में ये हुआ है कि उन्होंने उनके फॉर्म में लिखा है पीटीआई, उन्होंने सर्टिफिकेट दिया पीटीआई एन का,
वो आप दिखाएंगे तो पता चलेगा ना जी, सारा रिकॉर्ड
उन्होंने
चले
यहाँ पे इंडिपेंडेंट के तौर पे
रिकॉर्ड दिखाएंगे।
एक मिनट यहाँ पे जरा देख ले।
ये तो कैन आई जस्ट कंप्लीट दिस फॉर
सिकंदर साहब, ये जो सर्टिफिकेट है पीटीआई की तरफ से, ये बावजूद इसके कि चेयरमैन थे सुनीत यादव, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा कि वहां से मैं नहीं लड़ना चाहता हूँ। He opted to contest the election on the affiliation certificate of PTI, which was granted.
No, sir.
This is the certificate.
No, because he then immediately withdraws it and says, "मुझे shuttlecock दे."
No, but he wrote why. He said because the case is pending. He gave you an alternate plea.
ये देखिए, ये जो
ये फॉर्म 33 देख लें, इसमें आंसर लिखा हुआ है कि उनको आखिर में क्या मिला, प्लीज
देखिए सर्टिफिकेट
पेज 9
पेज 12 पे जरा देखिए।
जी
इस पर ये नहीं लिखा हुआ ये किस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के लिए, इट इज ब्लैंक
सर। नहीं, ऊपर देखिए सर, थोड़ा सा वो फेडेड सा है, बट कंस्टिट्यूएंसी की जगह बनी हुई है और ऊपर कुछ लिखा हुआ है, बट यस आई कैन नॉट रीड इट स्ट्रेट ऑफ द
constituency का number पढ़ा हुआ है.
Sir, उसका 104 था ना? Sir, I can read 104 here. It says 104.
ये तो अब जाहिर हुआ कि सर्टिफिकेट तो मिला था लेकिन इशू सिंबल का था. अब सिंबल के बाद
ये एक, my lord, I will answer because I know, my lord, this is the exception. All the other ones are N tickets.
अदर पे बाद में जाएंगे. पहले तो ये है कि
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
अगर सुन्नी इत्तेहाद का बंदा नहीं है, वो आजाद खड़ा था और लेकिन पीटीआई के, तो एक कैंडिडेट तो आ गया.
सर ठीक है,
अगर एक आ गया,
सर, if my lord wants to read it as that,
आपने कहा कि एक में सब ज्वाइन करेंगे.
नहीं, मैंने ये नहीं कहा सर. मैंने कहा वो जीतेगा भी आखिर में. वो जीतेगा एक सीट. I keep on emphasizing that he's got to win one seat. Now, my lord, let me just finish this, and I'll give one more sample. And my lord, please allow me this much indulgence that there are 81 alone sirf NA seats. This 81, 85, 86 कहा जाता है. 81 है मेरे मैथ्स के मुताबिक. I have gone on a sample. I am counsel, and I am acting on instructions. And I have been told that this is a representative sample. So please allow me this much as counsel, because I don't want to be seen as having given anything inaccurate.
But Mr. Counsel,
so that goes to the DG law and the, sir, page 9 pe, my lord, sir.
Now you've shown us the nomination form of this gentleman, in which, as I understand it, he said, I am affiliated with SIC, a registered political party.
That's right.
Then he produced the certificate, the certificate of Tehreek-e-Insaf.
That's right.
And for whatever reason, he said that if the Tehreek-e-Insaf doesn't get the bat, give me the shuttlecock. You ended up giving him the tower.
The tower because the shuttlecock wasn't available.
Yes,
वो तो minor चीज़ है.
Yes. My question to you is, why did you not apply section 67, subsection 2 to him?
A candidate, my lord, because this again brings me to the same 215 है ये.
Kindly पढ़ें से.
जी.
Kindly पढ़िए तो सही.
A candidate nominated by Mr. Chapter 12 खोल दें. A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted the symbol allocated by the commission to that political party under the provisions of Chapter 12 and no other symbol.
So, why didn't you ask this gentleman that, look, you are saying you are nominated by SIC, you are producing a nomination form of PTI, please produce the nomination form of SIC, because that is your that is the party with which on your form you say you are affiliated, because we cannot grant you, and here is a party, the SIC, at that point in time, on 13th of January, that could have given him the certificate, presumably.
He was the chairman himself, sir.
Whatever.
Presumably,
whatever.
He's the chairman.
Whatever, and we cannot give you any other symbol. Why did you accede to his request, contrary to the express provisions of the law?
In a lighter way,
I was
allowing